Lesson 21. Mini Fan. This lesson will teach you how to use a micro bit to build a mini fan. For the sake of time, in this video we only introduce the key blocks needed for this lesson. If you want to know the basic blocks, please check the video tutorial of our previous course or our website link. Thank you. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are learned the lesson 21. Mini Fan. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At first, we are using set_to_block. To store a value inside of your newly created variable, you use the set_to_block. The set_to_block allows you to select from a list of the variables that exist in your program and then add a value that you want to store or set that variables to. Now, we write a day. Second, we are using analog read. The microbit reads that value as a 10-bit number. The analog read block is a value-based block, meaning that you have to insert it into a block with a matching shape. We insert it into the set_to_block to store its value as a variable. Now, we need read the P0 dates. Third, we are using if, else block. Inside of the forever block is a more complex if block, which is an if-else tree. To build this more complex if statement, add a standard if-else block into your program. Then, we need use the digital write block. The digital write block enables you to turn a pin on or off. There is a drop-down option for which pin you want to control, and it accepts a variable as the pin state. You use 1 as on and 0 as off. Finally, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right-hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit, press the button, the relay is turned on and the fan is turned on, release the button, the relay is disconnected, and the fan stops turning.